Hi everybody, my name is Devin. I am with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Today I wanted to show you a brokerage boat that we have just taken in. This is a 2023 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. Let's check it out. Starting in the back of the boat, we have the Mercury 115 horsepower outboard. We do have the jump seat option on this with some cup holders. We do have the leaning post. There is storage underneath the leaning post. Going up to the helm, we have the Simrad NSX 7-inch that has auto routing and a fish finder hooked up already. We have only 33.6 hours on this engine, guys. It is a brand new boat. It is going out for a discount. You can get this barely used boat for much less than a new one. Moving forward to the casting platform, you can see I already have the anchor locker open. This is a fish box. They're currently using it for fenders, lines, and boat hooks. It's a really good platform up here, guys, for casting. We also have this equipped with the split bow rail. That way anchoring is much easier and you don't have to pass it under the rail. This boat also has the bimini option. And this 190 Montauk also has the combo console and leaning post cover.